Hello, hello, hello. Hello? Alright, I think this is good. So we have to share the stream. Alright. Can everyone see me okay? Is this working? Let me make sure this is working by hovering on. Normal window capture should be right here. Okay. All right. I think we're live now. Can everyone hear me and see me? Let's make sure that this is actually working. Let's reload the page. All right, bad. Okay. Oh, people are in the chat. Wow. Okay. This can you give me a shout out? Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay, let me close some tabs and let's get started. Okay. So, yeah, today we're just talking tech. Right now I'm working on a project and a few shorts, but I'm going to open up the project and show you guys around. So, programming done wrong. Okay, let's check out some code. So I am on Linux right now, so I'm not sure how this is gonna work out. So workspace, clear open. So, all right, let me change the. All right, guys. So this is the project I'm working on right now. Yeah, so right now I'm working on this like artist voice guesser. So basically what it does is it's a neural network and it'll take in data and it'll spit out like so you'll be able to play a song and it'll tell you which artist is playing because of the AI, right? The only issue right now is because I'm collecting data. So when I go into my audio.py file, let me open up my Explorer as well. So the issue right now is that it's not chopping down to 2 minutes like it's supposed to. It only sometimes does it, which is really annoying. But yeah. Okay. So that oh, I can open a widget. Okay. So right now, if I run it, let's just do some debugging right here. So if we do python audio.py and god, this light is in my eyes. Alright, so right here, so there's two issues really. Wait one second. Let me just give me 1 second. I'm what module are you using to get the audio data? So right now what I'm doing for the audio data is, let me check. So I'm using YouTube, right? So I'm using YouTube DL and ScrapeTube, right? Which is, it's not great, honestly, but it does the job. So what I'm doing right now is, so basically what I do is I first download it through this function right here, and this error isn't. So the function is right here. So this downloads the actual file and then calls all the functions, right? So what it does is we first like normalize the audio, right? So we make sure that we first make sure that it's 2 minutes long, and then we also make sure that it's we convert it to wave length. We check the audio length. This is for the wave this is for chopping it down. But what's happening for some reason is that instead of actually like just chopping it down like normally, some audio does and some audio doesn't, and it's incredibly annoying. Code disease also 100%. I am reading your comments. Imagine not use. Yeah, no. Assembly is a bit extreme for this use case, but it's interesting. And I mean, I've tried everything to figure this one out, right? Like I've been sitting on this bug for like weeks now, and it's actually getting me annoyed. Done everything from what's quick on in chat? Okay, I'm just gonna ignore that. But I've tried everything. But you know, one thing I haven't tried is trying to use ChatGPT to debug my errors. So let's look at what ChatGPT can do in terms of debugging. So let's actually just change our window all the way over to ChatGPT. All right, so here I am on ChatGPT. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna copy all of my code. So just give me one second. Let me go on code. Oh god, it's so zoomed in. So yeah. So the problem with ChatGPT is it doesn't actually like write correct code. Like everyone's freaking out, but I have yet to see one time, which hasn't been like a kiddie program, like a real program, where it's, and I know I sound terrible right now, like, oh, what do you expect it to do? But I'm just saying, like, it's really not it's incredibly impressive, but it's really not gonna take your job at this stage. Like it's just not powerful enough to. So everyone just like going crazy over ChatGPT saying it's gonna take our jobs. No, it's really not. But okay, sorry. So oh my god, I've neglected chat. Okay. Probably because ChatGPT is dumb and smart at the same time. For real. And it's, ignore DannyBot. I know him personally. He's just trolling chat right now. All right. So let's go to audio.py, and basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna say, why does my code sometimes chop audio to 2 minutes, or let's say chop audio down to 2 minutes for some files, what it's supposed to do, but not for other files. Okay. See, like, I know ChatGPT is like going super fast because it's a computer, but I kind of get annoyed. Like, just understand my question for a moment. But I know it's a computer, so obviously it wouldn't be able to do that. Okay, so isn't ChatGPT like Google but more advanced? Kind of, but not really, right? So basically, it's an AI that you can ask to do anything. So let's do some ChatGPT demos here. Actually, wait, what is he saying right here? So create an instance of the class, no, like, this is wrong. This is, like, if ChatGPT had actually read the code I gave it, this is wrong. But, no, it doesn't decide to, I don't know why I'm seeming so frustrated at ChatGPT today, but and let me show an example of what it can do. So, I love ChatGPT when it's like, especially like for these questions like why us, this type of stuff. So like answer these questions as if you were a coding YouTuber doing a live stream about ChatGPT right now. And then let's put in some of the questions we have in chat just to see what okay, there's some okay, I think I need to put some users in timeout. Okay. That's better. Okay. So let's put in a importing the music. I'm gonna get to that in 1 second. I just want to show this. So somebody said, isn't ChatGPT just like Google but more advanced? So let's put that right here, and let's see what ChatGPT says for that. Right? No, ChatGPT. So now it's giving it. So this is really cool. ChatGPT is incredibly cool, but I just don't think it's meant to be used for coding. I'd rather use GitHub Copilot for coding than ChatGPT. And that I demonstrated that in one of my coding shorts where I went against ChatGPT. It gives wrong answers. And even if you give it the errors like somebody in the comments were suggesting, it's not actually going to fix itself. It'll just keep going in circles. And that's why I think when it comes to real scale applications, AI is just nowhere near people right now. But when it comes to things like this, explanations and general knowledge, this is super cool. Like, I know people writing, like, actual, YouTube scripts with, ChatGPT, right? And, I mean, I personally think that's... I would never do that just because ChatGPT scripts aren't even that good yet, and because it's, it's not that good. Okay. So, use FFmpeg, importing the music file, copying to the result. You already call in your check length command, yes. You can just... Actually, that makes sense, yeah. I think GPT is... Token length, oh. That could very well be true, actually. Let's actually search it up. Where does ChatGPT have a token length or something like that? So, a character limit. Let's check Reddit, because Reddit's the most trustworthy source of info. Okay, it does have a token. Okay, 4097. Now, so somebody says it's 1279. So how many characters was the code that I gave? Neel, shout me out. I don't know who... Okay, I'm not even going to say the name because I don't know if I should say the name. I don't know who that is, so I'm just not going to say anything. Yeah, so I don't know if it's actually capped right now. So let's do a character count. Or let's just use Google Docs. Actually, no, let's not use Google Docs because my documents are on Google Docs. I just realized that's probably not the best option. So, yeah, okay. So let's test out ChatGPT a little more for a minute, right? So what I'm concerned about, like, I think much of the concern comes from, let's make a new chat really quickly, from this thing, like, how do I make an HTTP request? And it does it perfectly. But this is also one of the prompts on it, so it's cool. It's very cool. But I genuinely think there's no way this is taking your job, at least for 5 years. I think 5 years, and then I don't know, because especially with, like, Dolly and stuff. Okay, wait. So, like, let me ask it to make me a Discord bot. Let's see, because a lot of you guys might know. Some of you guys might be, like, from just, like, the originals. That's when I was just making Discord bots. That was my tutorials. But let's see if it can make Discord bots. That's what I'm curious about. So, make me a Discord bot that can moderate, ban, and mute. Let's try it out. So, let's see. Okay, so it's using discord.js instead of discord.py, which I think is a better... I think this is best trained on JavaScript. Because I think it's JavaScript and then it's Python, because whenever you ask it for any competitive coding problem, it'll answer in Python, but if you ask it to, like, actually build an application, it'll use JavaScript. but because I've never seen it like unless you ask it to actually use C, right? So that's tell ChatGPT you will send the code in multiple messages. We should try that. Oh, tokens doesn't equal characters. I think there's about 3 or 4 characters per token. Okay, yeah, my bad. That's yeah, I didn't know that. You learn something new every day. And I don't want to make a podcast, sorry, because then you need another person, and it's the whole mic thing. It's just okay. Let me try that code. What's hilarious? Wait 1 second. So okay, let's see this. Okay, I don't know Discord.js, so let me ask it to write it in Discord.py. Can you write this in Discord.py? And let's see what you guys are saying right now. JavaScript tutorials have the best SEO. Okay, I'm just saying, Neel, okay. Yeah, do JavaScript tutorials have the best SEO? No. Then I didn't know that. I just started making Python tutorials because when I started my channel, that was like around the pandemic time. Oh, am I allowed to? I don't know if I'm allowed to. I think it's like the actual like virus that you're not allowed. I don't know if I'm allowed to say, because I don't know. YouTube is really weird about this stuff. I'm just gonna completely not talk about that topic. Actually, let's sidestep that. Okay, so you pip install discord.py. Okay, it's going through the steps, just like even installing the clients. Okay, this is correct. On message, handle messages here. That's good. Okay, on ready, logged. Wait, no, this is wrong. This is wrong. This should be below that, but that's fine. That's not a big deal. Okay, yeah, this is wrong. This is wrong. This is bad syntactically. What it should be doing is commands instead of... so this would work in theory, and I'm not even sure if it'd work because it might have errors in it because I haven't looked too closely. This would work in theory, but it is terrible practice. So, and you'd think that ChatGPT would have good practice, which is interesting. Okay, sorry. Have you tried Helix the editor? I have not tried Helix the editor. I'm seeing a nerd emoji. All right, bro. Helix editor. Helix code editor. Let's search it up. Let's check it out. So this looks okay. Let's check this out. Oh wow, this looks nice. Is it? So it's a NeoVim inspired editor. I use Actually, I use LunarVim, which is a fork of NeoVim, which I really like because I don't have to set anything up because NeoVim takes way too long to actually make look nice. But LunarVim is great. I suggest LunarVim to everyone out there who wants Vim but doesn't want to put in the work for Vim. Okay, so, or NeoVim. Written in Rust. Okay, nice. I don't know what Kakone means, but I should probably search that up. I think it's some sort of design philosophy. So this is interesting. Should we just download it right now? I know this is off topic. You know what? Yeah, sure. Send over the instrumental in Discord. Just join the Discord server. That's everyone there. Join the Discord server. I don't know if the link's in the description. I think it is, but it's also on my channel, so that's a good idea. True. But it was still an old code base. Wait, where's this from? I'm not where's the true? Oh, I see. Since it's trained on the data from 2022, it's still using the old version. Oh god. And Danny Ball could actually get to my house because he does know where I live. So that's interesting. You do need a custom config. Okay, that's like, it's a little bit annoying in my opinion, but okay, and I'm just gonna put out a warning. Okay, I'm just gonna put him in timeout real quick. Okay, so now what I want to check out is, I mean, yeah, no, I'm not opening the door. You can do whatever you want. Okay, so let's try out Helix the text editor. But do I have to actually make the check Discord? Okay, give me 1 second. Actually, is it? I'm just gonna check Discord in its own window, just cause you know, privacy first. Am I right? Just gonna. Yeah, I'm gonna wave. Okay. In general, we have this. Listen to my beat. Okay, I'll listen to the beat off stream, just because, you know, I'm not fully sure because of what's, you know, going on here. But I will listen to the beat off stream. Okay. The Helix config. Oh, thank you. Cookie Guy just sent me the his Helix config on Discord, so that's great. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm getting a lot of Discord messages right now. Guys, please. It was just the FFmpeg. No problem. Okay, so let's please keep it on config. Yeah, I know you sent me the. So let's you know what? Let's just install Helix. That seems fun. So I'm gonna switch to my. Okay, I have so many tabs open right now. Not tabs, windows. I don't have a tab problem. I have a window problem. Okay, I'm gonna close Discord now. So if you guys have something to say to me, please put it in chat. So let me share my terminal, and just to warn you, it is a transparent terminal, so it'll show up as like fully black. My terminal is not this ugly, but it's actually very nice. But actually, let's not go to workspace. Let's just put in the command. So it's first saying that I need to git clone. All right, this is gonna take some time. Let's check the chat out in the play it. I want to hear it. Play it. Okay, a lot of people want to hear it. You know what? Whatever. Okay, this is what I'll do. I'll listen. I don't know what's gonna be played. You see, that's the problem. I can't just play something that I don't know what's gonna be played. I could like very well just get banned right now. Who knows? You know what I mean? Like, what's your GitHub? The link in the description is old. Is it really? Let me make sure. So my GitHub is githubs.com/Neel-Bonga. So I'll just actually send it in chat. This is my Discord. The git clone down the stream. Oh, my bad, gang. Alright, that's my GitHub. Okay, git clone is good. We're good. Oh god. Now I kind of understand. Is this buffering for you? Okay, it's telling me that it's buffering, so let's hope that's not the case. If so, well, that's your problem. Okay. Some audio. Alright, bro. I'll okay. I'll play it. Just give me one moment. Okay. I know that, like, the approximately, but that's not an issue. The issue is that sometimes it's 120 seconds, it's perfect, everything's good, and then other times it's way more, right? So it's just not cut at all. It doesn't even get to that method, and I don't know why it doesn't get to that method. I've tried various tests. If this issue keeps persisting, what I think I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna first download everything and convert it to wave, and then I'm not even going to put that in the object. I'm going to create a separate function and then loop through everything and then chop it down, which is going to be annoying, but I'll still do it. And the thing is down. Cargo broke his stream. Damn. Okay. I think is it breaking my stream? Okay. Sorry. Let's exit out of the terminal then. Oops. All right, yeah, let's exit. Rust moment. All right, yeah, let's exit out of cargo. I will check it out on my own time. That is my fault. And oh my god, this is bad. All right, let's just do this for now. Transition. Okay, and then I'm just gonna window capture, and we're just gonna do the live streaming. All right, bet. Okay, cool. This is nice. So okay, cool. So. Bro, don't show the video. Don't play the beat. Don't play the beat on. Don't show the video. Don't show the video. Yeah, I feel like something bad is gonna happen, right? Yeah. Is that just me, or I want to hear it? Okay, you know what? I might just mute my microphone, listen to it on my phone, and then check if I should send it or not. All right, yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. So no, I guys. Wait, what about this? I'm not sure if this is a good idea, guys. I'm really not sure if this is a good idea. So, Bob Ross, you should check it out. Okay. Wait, give me 1 second. So, okay, let's focus on one thing, because somebody's actually trying to help me with tech right now, which I think is a better idea. So, sounds like it might be a control flow issue. It could, yeah. Yeah, I think so. Maybe that's very possible. I don't know what PyYav is, but I will check that out. Okay. Oh, nice. Stream is back. Stream is back and well. Okay. You should check it out. Okay. Seems like it's an issue with your function for checking the link. I don't think so, but that's possible. Play it on stream. I want to react as well. Okay, here. Let's pull it up. I swear, if this gets me banned, this is actually gonna be like, I'm actually gonna like cry. So, you know what? No, I'm gonna mute my audio, and then you guys can judge from my facial reactions what's going on. All right. Okay. Can you guys hear me again? I'm sorry. I was muted. Okay. I will send you the Python file. I'll send you the Python file, and yeah, it's much better that I didn't play it, and I'm very, very happy I didn't. Yeah, that was a better idea. Am I still muted? Hello? Oh wait, I don't think I'm okay, it's lagging, so that's why. Okay. Yeah, I don't think it's muted anymore, I hope. Let me check actually. Okay, yeah, I'm not muted. Okay, cool. So now let's do some more ChatGPT stuff. That seems really interesting, because what I'm interested, because okay, I did ask ChatGPT for no, I can't say what it was, guys. I can't say what it was. No, that's definitely not gonna happen. And I'm getting a text message right now. I should probably put my phone on Do Not Disturb. Okay, cool. It's not muted. Cool. That. 4 concurrent viewers. Okay, let's do some fun. Okay, so one thing that really freaked me out about, what was it? Yeah, no, I can't show. One thing that really freaked me out about ChatGPT was that thing where it was like it made its own operating system and like its own files and stuff. So that's really interesting, right? Can it make its own software without code? Like, would that be possible? I don't really. I feel like that would be possible, but it would definitely require some more tweaks. I think ChatGPT is very beta right now, and I mean, yeah, but the fact that it's scaled up to 1 million users that easily is insane, right? What's wrong? It's just not appropriate for YouTube. That's what I'll say for now. Okay. Yeah. Mid. Mid. All right, bro. Let's put a mute right there. All right. So, who is Fantasy? Okay. Yeah. Let me check Discord real quick, and let's get some more viewers on here. So I'm just gonna grab some more viewers real quickly, and that's gonna be nice. So, oh wow, we got 1 subscriber. Nice, guys. Thanks. Funza. Just wanted to suggest Librosa also might be able to fish using subprocess. Yeah, I've heard a lot about subprocess. I'm just reading a Discord DM right now about the code. So subprocess apparently is really, really cool. So I'm thinking. Going in chat and typing about your apps. Okay, so okay, so let's check something out real quick. Where's the video that you're gonna show on stream? Yeah, it's better that we don't show that on stream. Okay, so now what's gonna happen is let's just check something out. What does the ATM thing mean? Send me I'll send you the code right now, actually, because I have it in my clipboard. Which is one really, I love clipboard. I love the copy clipboard. If you don't have if you haven't enabled that feature, then you are missing out completely. Yeah, no, that's very, very sad if you don't, but I do, so that's nice. All right, cool. So okay, cool. So, just give me 1 second, guys. Just sorting some technical stuff out. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. And just curious, everyone, what's everybody been thinking about the recent content, shorts, etc.? I've heard quite a bit about the shorts. I don't know if it's good, bad, kind of sad, whatever everybody thinks about the shorts, because that's interesting, right? The shorts have been doing well, but I don't know if they are what everybody likes or wants, right? I'm just trying them out right now. A long form video is coming soon. I'm gonna post it around January 2nd to January 7th. That's where it's gonna be, and I sent you the code, by the way. I sent it. All right, cool. I'm gonna be honest. I haven't been watching the shorts. Watch the shorts right now. Shall we watch the shorts together? We can watch something more family friendly. No, I think the shorts are my best editing yet. Well, they aren't my own editing, so I don't know why I'm saying the best editing, but they are the best editing that's been done on the channel so far. It has had the highest retention, which is definitely interesting. So yeah, I think the shorts are engaging, but I do definitely want to make some more longer form content right now. It's just I'm waiting for this certain thing to finish so that I can post this one video, and it's gonna be a good video, I promise. Like, better than all the ones I've created before. So that's gonna be nice. And okay, so Discord, I'm getting messages. Okay. So can everybody see me okay? Is that good? Okay. Let's do some ChatGPT testing. That's what is very interesting to me, because I'm genuinely I'm seeing a lot of concern for this job thing. So I'm just trying to see how good is it, good really is ChatGPT. Let's throw it some challenges. Confused. Okay. Let's ask it to explain us pointers and C. This is the hardest this is the hardest concept of C. Explain pointers in C as if I was 5. Alright, let's check that out. Pointers. See, this is the thing. This isn't explaining it as if I was 5. This is... Okay, sorry. I was just responding to Discord messages about this. Okay. Yeah. Pointers are definitely the hardest. Pointers are for sure the hardest in my opinion. I can't imagine a world where pointers aren't the hardest coding concept. It's just they are pretty hard to understand in my opinion, because like it took me a good like week to really wrap my head around memory addresses, pointers, etc. So it's just like it's not easy, right? But look at what they're giving us. So here's an example. Okay, examples are nice. Let's say you have a box with a toy inside. The toy is the value and the box is the memory. The pointer... Why didn't they just go with the house example? That's like the easiest and best way to explain pointers. The house and the address. That is the single best way to understand pointers, and anyone who thinks that that's not the best way is lying to you. That is the single best way to understand pointers. But I digress. Let's see, can you write an AI... Wait, let's ask it to write it. You guys might have watched my Twitter sentiment analysis video. Let's ask it to write that. Can you write an AI that predicts the stock market based on the sentiment of tweets? All right, let's see if okay. How are there several? So see, this is the thing. So it won't even like, okay, I mean, I guess this makes sense. It'll give you like an approach, but it won't actually tell you how to do it. And guys, start chatting in chat. Why is nobody talking in chat right now? Because there are viewers. Nobody in chat right now. Neel, okay. So yeah, this is definitely interesting because it's just not like, it annoys me because it's like it's not even giving its hand at the code, you know what I mean? But like, let's see. What about? But let's ask it for some video ideas, and let's rate its short ideas. So, give me some YouTube short ideas for a coding channel. It's just all I'm gonna ask. Here, quick tips and tricks. I mean, yeah, I guess. Coding chat. I've thought of this, like making little puzzles, right? And then like, can you solve this puzzle? It seemed really interesting, but I didn't know if you guys would actually enjoy that, so I never really got around to it. Would you guys enjoy those, like little bits of puzzles and stuff? Yeah. I'm not really sure whether nobody would enjoy that. Anybody would enjoy that. Why incorrect grammar. Okay, so let's see. So walkthrough and tutorials. Okay, fine. Q&A. That's what we're doing right now. And code. This is a good idea. This is a really good idea, actually. Code reviews. We could do live stream code reviews. That would be pretty cool. Is that just me? So okay, see, ChatGPT has some really good ideas sometimes. Like sometimes it's hits on hits, right? It doesn't miss sometimes. Like, yeah, that would be great. I think that, okay, so first puzzles would be like can you, so I'd give a little bit of like a coding thing. What would be the output of this program? Or what's the error? Something like that. But for code review seems really interesting. If you want to do that right now, we could literally do code reviews. If anybody's down to send some of their code, I'm going to be honest, I can only do Python and Java well. Everything else is just, I know other languages, but for in-depth code reviews, I'm only going to do Python and Java. Yeah, that's going to be definitely interesting. So code puzzles are also another option, but I do really like the idea of code reviews. So let's actually, you know what we should do? Let's stalk some people's GitHubs and check what people are doing on GitHub. So GitHub AI. That's all we're gonna search, and we're gonna see what we get. Let me. Oh, I'm just gonna GitHub Copilot. Is GitHub Copilot great? Like I was on the beta version and I never really used GitHub Copilot. Is GitHub Copilot any good? Has anybody actually used it extensively enough to say? Because I know there's another VS Code extension that's a code completion. Is this not just like easy code completion? And I'm just gonna make myself a little smaller for a minute. And GitHub Copilot. Build software. Okay, so this is just some AI. Let's check out what people are doing in the field of AI. So machine learning, spacey. Oh, what's this? Oh, an AI expert roadmap. Let's check this out. This is gonna be some interesting stuff. So choose your path. Alright, never mind. I don't wanna read this. Okay. Let's okay. I do C graphics programming. Yeah, C graphics programming. I don't know how you do that. That's hard programming. That's much harder programming than me. Copilot is absolutely fantastic. It's much more good than ChatGPT. Okay, that's nice. That's actually really nice. Oh, okay. Somebody sent in a code review. This is gonna be interesting. So I'm actually gonna boom, 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 boom. Okay, cool. So, wow. Okay, so people do quite. Okay, so open widget. So you should rate viewers' GitHubs. Actually, yeah, let's do that. Let's rate everyone's GitHubs out of 10. Send your GitHubs in chat. That'll be interesting. So, Copilot is absolutely fantastic. So are you using VS Code or because does Copilot work on NeoVim or something like that? I'm not fully sure whether it would work. So okay, here's the first thing I actually got from this. Give me one moment. All right, so here's Chris's Copilot. Not Copilot. What am I saying? Copilot. This is Chris's. Yeah, this is his GitHub. So let's check this out. You know, this is so lagged. Like this stream is super lagged. So whenever I say something, it's like Ian's after. Like it's just weird. Okay, let's transition to make me even smaller. So this is a UWF engineering bot. So. Okay, so this is a Discord bot, I believe. Yeah. Create class. Oh, this is nice. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is going. Okay, this is very specific. So to about. Let's check out the main.py. Okay, so why did I open up the requirements? Okay. Yeah, this is nice. The only thing I'd suggest first of all is making cogs, because cogs are literally heaven. Like makes separate files. Like it's just so much. Like with one of my Discord bots, let me use Replit because I use Replit to host my Discord bots for free. I have cogs, so let me pull up the Programming Done Right bot. And the reason it's called Programming Done Right is because that was the old channel name. If you guys remember that, that'll be good. YouTube has a lot of latency, right? It's too much. Oh, I was trying to find my own Replit. Where is Programming Done Right? This is the music bot. Here, this is the mod mail bot. I have so many bots here. Okay, here's a Programming Done Right bot. So this is the one thing I really suggest for your code right here. You have it all really in one file. I like you have all your main code in one file. This is what I would suggest. Do something like this, right? Where you have cogs. So this is the fun commands, this is the message logs, this is the moderation, this is the roles. It's so much cleaner and allows you to edit what you need fast, right? You don't have to go searching for that function, use Control F. That's the only thing I really suggest for this code. Otherwise, everything is looking really, really, really good. But yeah, that's the only thing I can really suggest for your code. Now, let's check out the GitHub in general. YouTube has a lot of latency. Yeah, there's a lot of community ports. I don't know what that means. So let's. Oh, wow. So this is a very diverse GitHub. So we have some JavaScript, we have some Lua, we have some C. I don't know what John is. John just. Oh my! Wow. So what does this do? I think this might be in another language. Maybe. Maybe. I'm not sure. I don't know what John the Ripper means, but... Oh, I think this is a shared project. My bad. Okay, yeah, these are forked projects, so that's interesting. But yeah, this is a pretty good GitHub, well-rounded. Okay, they're old forks, but it has some old forks, which is a negative. So I think I'm gonna have to give it a solid 8 out of 10. That's what I'd rate the GitHub overall. I think there's some cleaning up that needs to be done on the GitHub, but the projects are solid. Okay, let's see. Is anyone else sharing their GitHubs for review? This is an 8 out of 10. Can anyone compete with this? Try to get a 9, try to get a 10. I personally would rate my own like a 2 right now. The GitHub is so messy right now. There's one project that everyone can see, and that's the Twitter bot, and it's not even that. It's just yeah, there are more projects that I'm doing. It's just using Git is such a hassle, and I just haven't been able to like fully like get into Git and use Git push and do all of that. It's just a lot. Yeah, it's a little annoying for me to use Git and things like that. So, but the thing is, Git is not easy. Like, it's so much annoying work to do. My links are showing up on YouTube chat. Okay, Cookie Guy, I think you might have been just like low-key like shadow banned from chatting in the thing just because you're sending links. Because yeah, don't send links to me send links to me on Discord, because YouTube is really weird about links in chat. Just because. Chris, thank you so much. I'm doing the stream right now, but that's amazing. I don't know if that works yet or not, but thank you for the help. That means a lot. Okay, let's check out Cookie Guy's code. So let's go on camera, make me a little smaller, and let's look. Okay, so and just YouTube isn't allowing. Yeah, YouTube doesn't allow you to send links for some weird reason. So just send it to me on Discord. Okay, so I'm gonna check the main because I don't understand graphics programming. So let's do that. So okay, already this is beautiful. Like this is a nice GitHub. Like I like this. This looks so nice. This is aesthetic. You know what I mean? Yeah, this is really nice. Okay, and then he has a programming language made in this. A type programming language that he made. That's insane. Or unless this is is this forked? This isn't forked. Oh, okay. This is okay. So you're working with 4 people. This is crazy. So you're working with 4 people on a. So let's look at some examples to see. Hello to us. Oh, so this is like C but better, or C++ but better. That's pretty cool. Okay. Oh, let's. I'm just gonna not show that GitHub right there. This is my best solution of censoring. So console GL, I don't know what that is. Oh wow. Okay, this is a 10 out of 10 GitHub. I can't lie. This is perfect. This is genuinely one of the best GitHubs I've seen in a while. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. This because it's, first of all, it looks really nice. I need to make mine look nice too. Like if we look at my GitHub, it looks terrible. But this just looks, and it has great projects, and I think if we went in your graphics programming one, it would look, I don't know if it'd look as good. Actually, I should probably check it, but the projects would, I think, be better just because graphics programming is so much cooler than any other field, and I wish I could do graphics. I like AI a lot. Okay, so yeah, so right now this artist guesser program, Git is not working. It's not letting me push it to Git, and I hate it. YouTube. Oh no, oh, I see. It's like Rust. Okay, and you made making the standard library is crazy. That's amazing. Wow. You guys are wild. My GitHub is a solid 2. It looks terrible. It has 1 project on it. Yeah, no, it's not in its best place right now. Yeah, and I was using TensorFlow for the object one, but I've moved on to PyTorch, and I mean, yeah, I don't support Meta or anything, but PyTorch is genuinely just better. Like it's so much easier to use in terms of machine learning. And let me check Discord really quickly to see if any new links. No new links. Cool. Yeah. So we could put it for RAS right now. What Git error are you getting? Okay, I will. You know what? I'm gonna go through a Git push because I know you guys can probably help me solve this because this should be common sense. I'm very bad at using Git. Like this is my fatal flaw. Using Git is just I'm not able to do it. Let me transition my camera and let me actually look on the Git website just to pull up the instructions. So first thing we need to do is I need to go to workspace. So this is so basically since I cd into this directory so much for coding, I just made a shortcut called where I go workspace and boom, I'm in that directory because it's a very long one. And then I'm just going to say cd artist voice. So this is my guessing artist program, right? And then what I could do is I could say ls. Okay, so I'm going to say rm audio because I cannot remove audio. How do you remove rmkdr audio? Okay, how to actually, you know, I'm just going to do it manually on the file. Programs, yeah, I'm just doing it manually in my file explorer because I just can't be bothered. Move to trash, cool. So now if I say ls, cool, we don't have audio. So now let's say git init. Okay, it's already, oh, thanks, rmrf. Okay, clear, I already initialized it. I'm gonna say git add, and I'm just gonna add everything. Git push origin main. You need to add the RF flag. Got it. And what is going on here? So can I just reset Git? I feel like I've already just like done so much. Like I've already messed this thing up, and I've just tried to use Git so many times that like everything's messed up. Can I just yeah, I wish I could just redo it. I was just thinking about cloning my directory. Oh, wait, no. Why would you use... It's git add a... What? Oh, no. I thought git add dash a. Okay, so then... Yeah, git add period does work too, right? So... And then, because, oh wait, let me zoom in. I'm so sorry, guys. This is a bad stream host. Sorry. Okay, this is much better, right? Yes, actually. Can we go in a VC? I can help you. You know what? We could go VC right now. And then we could end stream, or it's an option. Okay, do you guys want to end stream right now? We could go and we could figure this Git issue out, or. What is everyone thinking? What is everyone's thoughts? Yeah, I think we can end the stream for now. I will see you guys later. This was a great stream. Thank you guys. I'm gonna get this Git issue sorted out, and I have to look at the code that Chris sent me because that might be amazing. And let's look at my desktop real quick. My desktop is great looking. Let's admire this for a little bit. Look at this, guys. Look at that. That's a nice Linux desktop. Am I right, guys? Is that just me? I like... Okay, wait. I'm going to have to... And then I'm just going to transition, and I'm going to make myself super small just so I can show off my desktop really fast. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I just want to. Okay, I've made myself very small. Transition, and now I'm going to just look at my desktop. Look at this. It's a very nice desktop. I'm very proud of it. I took way too long on Linux to set this up. Actually, no, I didn't. It took me like 15 minutes. What am I saying? Linux in general took me way too long to set up. Okay, I'm ending the screen now. Bye.